No, I do not use time tests.
Why you don't?
Because for me as an educator, I want students to not feel the stress of a time test and, oh my gosh, I have to memorize. Math is not memorization. Math is problem solving and critical thinking and having conversations about what we're noticing and what we're wondering. It's not about rote memorization.
First, you split the array like Brennan did, and and then you did it kind of differently, and then you split it into 5 tens, and then you did the bottom, and then you knew that was 5. You counted 5, and then you split it right where the 12 is. And then you did 3 tens, and then that equals 30, and then 12, and then you did 10 plus 30 plus 50 equals 90, and then 90 plus 2 equals 92.
Is that what you did? Say, nice job, Hayden.
Nice job, Hayden.
Okay. They don't need a 1-minute timer to solve the array that we saw in the lesson today, the 6x24. They were having a conceptual understanding of multiplication and repeated addition, and I didn't have to put a timer on them. And once you put the timer, there are a lot of kids that take a little bit longer to think through things. And so timing them then kind of attacks their math identity, and they're like, oh, I'm not good at math. And that is not a phrase that I allow to happen in my classroom, because I want all kids to be proud of themselves and see themselves as mathematicians. And so I give them that thinking time that they need, and it doesn't interfere with their understanding because they're given the time to really think through and have that conceptual understanding.